right, so in this part it says predictable outputs. In a relationship like the soda machine, we want the output to be consistent and predictable. When it is, we say that the machine is functioning properly. So, you realize with this soda machine that there are times when pressing number 2 would give you Mountain Dew. And, if you wait and try the other things, you notice something when you try the Mountain Dew again, which is that it will give you, oh, sorry, that didn't quite work. Try this again. Sometimes it gives you Coke, right? Even though you press number 2 for Mountain Dew, the machine gives you Coke. So this machine is not functioning consistently. And you don't want that, you don't want to use a vending machine that will provide you with something other than what you ordered. So in something like the soda machine, you want the machine to function properly. So I have a few more examples here for you. It says examine each of the tables and graphs below that show different inputs and their outputs. So just like the soda machine, right? When you press 1, that's your input. You should get Coke, that's your output. So the number is the input, the soda is the output. So similar to that, there are all these inputs and outputs. And I would like for you to take a look at the inputs and outputs of these relationships and see if the machine is functioning properly. And then tell me why or why not. So if you need help with this, I'll give you an example. For example, number 1, it says if the button number is 1, you get sticks. You get number 1, you get sticks. Number 2 gives you M&Ns. Number 4 also gives you M&Ns. And then pressing number 2 again gives you duds, and pressing number 3 gives you duds. So for me, in my opinion, this machine is not functioning properly because number 2 gives you M&Ns once, sometimes, and number 2 gives you duds some other times. That's not cool because if I want M&Ns, I might get duds if I press 2, which is not great. So in your notebook, you're going to go to the next page and you're going to write down the title Predictable Outputs. And then you're going to write down what you think for each of these examples. So you're going to go ahead and write, well, okay, for number 1, I don't think this machine is functioning properly because the number 2 gives both M&Ns and duds, okay? When I want M&Ns, there's a chance I will get duds instead, okay? So basically, I want you to think for yourself whether these 3 examples are functioning correctly, and if so, why, and if not, why not? So go ahead in your notebook, explain if these 3 machines are functioning, take a photo of your work, and then upload it on Dreamseedo.